Hi, I'm Miki from TakeX Studios. Have you ever found yourself stuck in the situation that you need good, clear audio, have a somewhat tight budget, and being short on time, at least when it comes to editing? Well, today I will be reviewing a USB mic that does not require advanced knowledge in a particular editing program and is easy to use. We'll be taking a closer look at the features and performance of this microphone. Let's start. The Rode NT USB Mini is a compact, stylish and easy to use microphone that offers studio quality audio recording with USB connectivity. The microphone delivers crystal clear, professional quality audio directly to a computer or tablet with an easy to use interface. Rode Connect, which can be downloaded from www.rode.com. It's designed for content creators, gamers, podcasters, streamers, musicians, anyone in need of a reliable and easy-to-use recording solution. The microphone is compatible with both Mac and Windows computers. The NT USB Mini is a sleek, compact and modern design with steel and reinforced nylon resin construction and a stylish matte black finish. It is an integrated pop filter which helps minimize plosive sounds and provides clearer recordings. The microphone comes with a sturdy desk stand that provides stability during use. The 360-degree swing mount of the desk stand allows for easy positioning and adjustment. When it comes to sound quality, the NT USB Mini delivers impressive results. It features a high-quality condenser capsule that captures audio with exceptional detail and clarity. The microphone offers a frequency response range of 20 Hz to 20 kHz, which covers a wide spectrum of audio frequencies. So whether you're recording vocals, instrumentals, or voiceovers, this microphone delivers crystal clear, professional quality sound. The NT USB Mini has plug-and-play functionality, which makes it user-friendly, as you can simply connect the microphone to your computer's USB port and you're ready to start recording. The microphone doesn't require any additional drivers or software installations. It's also equipped with a 3.5mm headphone jack for direct monitoring, allowing you to hear your recordings in real time with zero latency. The NT USB Mini offers additional features like the following. It has a convenient volume control dial on the front, which allows you to adjust the headphone output level and monitor your recordings with ease. The microphone also includes a unique detachable magnetic desk stand, which gives you the flexibility to mount it on a boom arm or any other compatible microphone stand. Hello, Nikki! Please remember to like and subscribe because it really helps our channel. We would like to know what you think of this microphone and how it compares to other USB options. So please comment below. Hey! Yeah! 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 Okay. The Rode NT USB Mini is a very good choice for those seeking a studio quality USB microphone. Its compact size, professional sound quality, and user-friendly design make it suitable for a variety of recording applications. So even if you're truly green or pink in this case, in this particular line of work or just starting your content creator journey, you can get excellent audio for your podcasts, vlogs, videos, whatever content you need good clear audio for. I highly recommend it. Even the cat likes it. That concludes our review of the Rode NT USB Mini. Stay tuned for our upcoming unboxing and review of the photography LED Light A112. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.